Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the second annual LMG Jax Car Show, and this is the Grand Tour. We're going to take you around and talk about some of these cars that are out there. There were a lot of awesome cars out there, so this is going to be a pretty good Grand Tour. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we're going to start out on the Grand Tour inside the arena, the equestrian arena. And as you can see, there's a lot of cars out here. Oh, there's Esther, the old rat rod. It's cool. Then they got the hydraulic cars, the Cadillac, the little Ranger. I really like this one here on the end with all the rose color detail. It's pretty cool. Now we got to go around to the other side. But as you can see, the mystery machine was there. The little K-Van mystery machine was there. It was cool. You got the Captain America truck and the Hulk truck. I kind of started at the back of the arena and went to the front. So we're rounding the corner for the three I just mentioned. We had the Honda section. I guess those were Civics, yeah. Then you got the Dragon Soul. And there's a car up here, a Challenger, or no, yeah, I know it was a Lexus, See No Evil car. That was kind of cool. And you're gonna see this little SUV here. I love it because it's done up like Paul Walker's Supra from the first Fast and Furious. That was fun. You got the character cars. Bumblebee car. Then you got the big jacked up trucks. You got the Beast, the gray one, and I forget what the white one was called. And this little tractor thing was kind of cool. I forget what it was, but it was cool. That white car had a different spoiler on it that lit up and was shaped. And that Honda 2000 was cool. And you get down in here into the rotary power, the monsters. I like that red one. That's just personal preference. I had to come back. I had to take pictures of these four in the middle because I forgot to get them when I went through the first time. And then while I was doing that, I saw there were cars outside the little in the little area outside of the equestrian center that you couldn't see from when you came in. So you have to go through this little hallway to get to them. Now we're going to start on that. I never thought about hot rodding up a van. It works on that one. I like that blue car there because of the design on the hood and the trunk lid and everything. Oh look, it's Hector's Honda Civics from Fast and Furious. Except one was an Acura. I love this Mustang here, this old Mustang. Oh, it's nice. Then you go back inside, and they had cars inside here. They had the truck, and then they had this little Toyota. It had Joker stuff on it, but it looked like it was stamped into the metal, or raised out of the metal. Sonic the Hedgehog, Shadow the Hedgehog, or whatever it's called. It's what this other band was done up as, crossover, or whatever it was. And then you get over behind these cars and trucks, and there's more in a little hallway behind them. They had cars stacked everywhere in this place. So we're gonna head over there now. Right here. There's a little Uzi truck, those two were kind of cool. Then the Toyota there, the minivan was like Lilo and Stitch, which is kind of cool. But the other one was like, I forget what it was. Anyway, that's all for the Grand Tour LMG Jax Show at Jacksonville Equestrian Center. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share these videos. Coming at you. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the second annual LMG Jax Car Show at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center. We hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to drop us a like, even a comment, share it around to your friends, your car people, your non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. We're at 280 something. Any help on that end would help. We'd really appreciate it. And we're out here doing this for you guys, taking you out to the car show with us. So drop a subscribe, share us around, do all the YouTubey things. And as usual, we'll be out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. And we'll see you guys out there on the car show circuit at the next one.